June of this year, Law number 6 of 2018 was published, which is the Arbitration Law, and it replaced certain provisions in the Civil Procedures Code with respect to arbitral proceedings. Now, this is an excellent advancement in the United Arab Emirates and the arbitration field. However, there were certain ambiguities in the language of the law with respect to the practical application of the legislation. One of those articles was Article 55, which required a party looking to enforce an arbitral award to submit a request to the Chief Justice of the competent court for confirmation and enforcement of that award. The ambiguity was with respect to the term request in of itself and how that is processed before the Chief Justice. In early October, our firm, Nakhira Partners, received a favorable arbitral award on behalf of a respondent in a hotel-related arbitral dispute. Now, we had nothing to enforce, but we needed to confirm that award. And very shortly after receiving the award, as we were deciphering with the courts how to process a request, a new option became available on the Dubai court's website, and that option was titled Request on Petition, Arbitration, translated directly, literally from Arabic as Amr al-Arida Tahkim. The petition order is what the request means and can be filed electronically with the Dubai courts, obviously followed up diligently with the lawyers who have rights of audience before that competent court. Now, petition orders are governed by the Civil Procedures Code and generally require the judge to respond the next day. The Arbitration Law, however, provides the judge with a 60-day limit to respond to the petition order. Now, the UAE judiciary differentiates between a procedural time bar and an obligatory time bar. A procedural time bar is what is referred to as a mudda tanzimiyya, and an obligatory time bar is what's referred to as a mudda jaza'iyya. Now, a procedural time bar can be extended, an obligatory time bar cannot. The 60-day limit for a judge to issue a petition order is a procedural time bar, so it can be extended in that sense. What is also necessary to mention is the confirmation itself. Article 55 requires that minutes of deposit of the award are provided to the court, and those minutes of deposit, what we now know, are obtained from the body that is overseeing the arbitral proceedings. So if it is a DIAC, Dubai International Arbitration Center arbitral proceeding, the minutes are deposited with DIAC and confirmation is obtained to be submitted to the courts at the time of confirmation and enforcement with the courts. Obviously, this process occurs electronically, but it is an excellent step in the application of the arbitration law before the competent courts.